What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at the SOUNDPEATS C30 Hybrid ANC Earbuds with LDAC, high-res audio. Big shout out to SOUNDPEATS for sending these over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. Now, some of the features and details, you can pick these up in white or black. Like I said earlier, these are high-res and LDAC certified high-fidelity audio. These feature 12mm drivers for powerful bass, warm vocals, and crystal clear highs. These have a 6-mic ANC noise reduction design. They feature negative 52 dB hybrid noise cancellation. These are Bluetooth 6.0 for stable and faster connection. They feature 360-degree spatial audio. Now you're going to get 52 hours of use with the case, 10 hours of playback per bud. And if you plug these in for 10 minutes, it's going to equal to 3 hours worth of playback. Now, these are IP54 waterproof. They feature one-key pairing, and these are app control with the Peats Audio app. So those are a few of the features and details. I will definitely leave the product purchase link where you can read up some more about these if you would like to. So here's the packaging that they come in. You get the branding right there. You get a photo, of what they look like. High-res audio LDAC C30. And then this side, you got 12mm driver, 52 hours playtime, and hybrid active noise cancellation. And then on the back, let's see if there's anything that I missed. The frequency response rate, 20 hertz to 40 kilohertz. And that is pretty much it, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the packaging and check this out. Now, I've worked with SOUNDPEATS quite a bit. They make some excellent earbuds, and the price is always really nice on these as well. You get a lot for what you're paying for, and that's always a win-win situation right there. So let's go ahead, check these out. Get these out of the packaging here. Okay, so here's the inside of the packaging here. Let's get this pamphlet out here. All right, so inside of here, you got a packet. Let's see what's included in here. This is going to be your paperwork and stuff here. So download the Peats Audio app. That's what this is saying right here. And they give you a booklet here as well. And you get some stickers as well, and then you get your user's guide right here as well. So let's put that stuff over to the side. Take the earbuds, put them over to the side. Let's see what else is in here. So over here, we're gonna get some tips, earbud tips. Let's go ahead and open this up, check these out. So they give you some extra tips here. Look like you got the real small ones and the large, so they probably have the medium size on there. I always have to have the small ones. And then you're gonna get your charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C, which is always a good thing to see that USB-C. Let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. And let's take a look at the earbuds. So right off the rip, the case is very small. I like to see the case very small, so here it is here. Has a nice design on there. Trying to see if that says anything, but, oh, it's an S. So it has an S pattern on there, very nice, and it's textured as well. Very small, pebble size. Look at it there. And you got your Type-C charging port right here. And yeah, this looks good and feels good in the hand. You do have a slot here where you can get your fingernail in there and open these up. And here's the inside of it. Now that is really nice looking right there. Hear the difference, that's what it says there. Now let's take one of the buds out and check it out. So you do have an S right there. And here's the bud. So very nice feeling, plastic, lightweight, and looks good, man. I do like the way these look. Let's get the other one out and check it out. Here it is. So let's take a look at the inside of the case. So here's the casing. pull that off so they can charge. Right there. So yeah, kind of a black and gray color scheme here. These are magnetized, so they're not going to fall out. As you guys see right there. And it's very small. There's your indicator right there. As you guys see, LED right there. So what I'm going to do is get these paired up. We're going to come back and I'll let you guys see the app. And I'll let you guys know what I think about these from a non-audiophile guy. So let's stand by for the rest of the video. All right, guys, so this is the second part of the video. This is actually the next day. It's been a whole day since I made the first part of the video, so I've had a chance to actually use these, and these are great. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the app. I already had the app loaded up on my 17 Pro Max. I had to get the app and put it on the Z Fold 7, and here it is. This is what the interface looked like. Now, the app name is Peats Audio. That's what it looks like right there. You go in and you just connect it to it. You actually don't need the app to use these, but the app gives you allows you to have more customization over your earbuds. So I do recommend, downloading the app and using it. So this is the interface here. You're going to see the name of the buds. You see the two buds there. If you click over here in this corner, then it's going to bring up some stuff here. You got device information, firmware update, reset, drain function. So if these get water, you can turn this on and it's going to help to get the water out of them. You got a fit test. You got find earbuds. So if you lose them or displace them, then that'll help you find them. Switch headphones, prompt tone. You got English. You got different languages here that you can use, and you can adjust the volume. So that is when you turn these on or when they get connected, it says connected, and that's what that voice is. So you can choose the language and the style. You got the battery percentage down here. You got your different ANC modes here. You got transparent, normal. Transparent works pretty good. You can carry on conversations. It's not the best, but you're able to converse with that on and transparent. Normal, it blocks out a little bit of the noise, but then when you get to noise canceling, that works very well. You can't hardly hear anything when you got the noise canceling on, so works very well. Now you got disable touch, so if you don't want to be touch enabled on your earbuds, you can turn that off. Next, you got the double device connection feature. Works great. I'm going to demonstrate that. You can connect this to two phones or whatever you want to connect. You can connect two different things here. Custom key, this is where you can go in and customize the touch on each earbud. So if you want the left one to do the volume down, you want the right one to do volume up, or you can change it to whatever previous track, game mode, whatever you want to do with these. You can change it up and customize it as you want. So you got game mode, LDAC, which is great, movie mode, and that is pretty much it right there on this stream. Next stream over, this is going to be your EQ stream. So you got adaptive EQ. This will give you a test right here for your earbuds to get them, going right in your ears. You got your presets here. So you got about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 presets here. SOUNDPEATS Classic, bass boost, bass reduce, treble boost, electronic, a bunch of them here. You can try them out. They do each make it sound different. I do like the hi-fi. That one sounds very, very good right there. So then you got your personalized EQ here. You can name it. You can set it up like you want. And you can save this as one of your, favorites right there. So you got that, and that's pretty much it on this page here. Then the next page is just going to be stuff like your user's manual, contact us, online service, official web. You can go in and look at all of their products that they have to offer here. So let's go back out. You got frequently asked questions, feedback, about app, and settings. So that is pretty much the app right there. The app works very well, and it's pretty robust. You get a lot there. So let's talk about the earbuds. These were great, like I said. let's talk about comfort and fit. These are so lightweight, you almost forget they're in your ears. Now, I did change out and put the smaller ear tips, and so that gave me a very sealed off in my ears fit. Didn't feel like I had ear fatigue or they hurt or anything like that, and they stayed in my ears very well. So just find the right ones that you need. These are marked left and right. You can, put them back in the case. If you forget, you can just look at it, but pretty easy to put them back in there and not know which side they go on. Now, let's talk about the latency. I watch movies and videos. Latency was very good, and I did play some games. So there was no latency at all with these watching videos or playing games. They were excellent. So dual connectivity, let's go ahead and demonstrate that. That works very well. I actually have these both hooked up to the both hooked up right now. And let's go ahead and go into the app here. So I got two players, and you can use whatever music platform streaming if you want to play them directly from your device or whatever. So over here, the touch pad is about right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start this playing up over here. Let's go ahead and stop it. I'm going to start it over here. Double stop. I can double tap to stop the music. Double tap. Start it back up. I'm going to go ahead and double stop. I'm going to triple tap. What's the weather outside? So as you guys see, it is working great over here. I'm going to go ahead and double tap. Start the music up again. And it works great. So now let's go over to the Z Fold 7. Let's go ahead and start the music up over here. So the music is playing over there. I stopped it. Gonna triple tap. I have on here triple tap. I think it's changing through like normal, transparent and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and double tap. And as you guys see, the music is playing again. I can adjust the volume as you guys see right there. So the touch controls work very, very well on here. And it's very easy, especially when you have them in your ears, it's very easy to maneuver and get everything working. So as far as calls, I did make a few phone calls. I could hear them very well. They could hear me. Now, they're not the best, but they do work and they sound great. So next, let's talk about, you can use these independently. You can use one at a time, so you don't have to worry about that. If you don't want to worry both of them, you can definitely use these one at a time. So now, as far as listening to that music, these have heavy bass in my opinion. Now, I'm not an audiophile type guy, but I do know what sounds good in my ears. And to me, the bass was very loud on these. The mids and highs were great. You get great vocals as well, very clear vocals. And I just think they sound great, man. For the price of these, lightweight, and you get all the functionality. You get a nice case. You get dual connectivity. And yeah, they just sound great, and it's a great pickup for this price, man, in my opinion. So they look good, very lightweight and comfortable as well. Come with a nice carrying case that I think looks great. Nice texture, and it's small as well. So these are the SOUNDPEATS C30. I'll definitely leave a link in the description if you guys want to go pick these up. Will H. I'm out.